Hi, thank you for joining another one of our videos in the GTA Toronto. We are actually up here in Bloomington, Stouffville. We are prestigetilinstallers.ca. Please give us a call at 416-937-8115 when you get a chance and you want to get some tile installations and get your project started. So we have a nice big master bathroom here, about 400 feet in total between the walls and on the floor. So what we've put down now is the Ditra and the Kerdi on the shower. As you could see, that's where all the tile is going to be going. They have a nice travertine marble look, 12 by 24 with the as you can see, the octagon sheet tile, which is going to be going on the shower floor and also on the ceiling. Okay. We also are going to be doing this wall here where the counter and sink and for the bathroom here, that's going to be all octagon, this wall. So as you can see, as we prolong on our job here, you can see the stages of our tile installations. Okay. Check out our website, www.prestigetilinstallers.ca. You could look at all the pictures of before and after of our project, and also there's a video button. Click there where you could see all our tile installations, how we do it right, how to cheat, and how to do it wrong. So we're like Mike Holmes kind of thing, you know. We like to educate people out there on which contractor to go for. That's it. We do heated floors. We dry pack all and level off the floors too before we install. Most people like to kind of put the heated system or wires heated system from new heat or warm up, or the engineered water system where we bury everything so they can have a nice warm and cozy floors throughout the house or kitchen, bath, basement, wherever. So I just thought I'd give you a little video here on our procedures here with different products. Definitely there are a lot of different products. It's just a matter of picking the right one for your project. Okay, again, give us a call at 416-937-8115 and we'll gladly chat and come on over and take a look at what you need to get done, so we can get it done right the first time and get it all finished. Okay, I'll leave you here now, and like I said, continue looking at our website and videos and pictures. That'll help you a lot on who to pick on for your tile installation contractor. Okay, take care, have a nice day.